Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify discontent not working or not found on your Spotify. To know how to fix or how to solve discontent not found, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. We go to click on this window clear data. Don't click here because that can mix errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.